Joey! Drew! Could you maybe warn a guy before you decide to go about changing his, everything? Why am I always the test dummy for this stuff? Well, since you're here, Sammy, we'll give you the new member initiation. Laughing, you're fired.
If you sit by the river long enough, you will see the body of your enemy float by. Even monkeys fall from trees. The male that sticks out gets hammered down. The talented hawk hides his claws.
Work's been kind of slow since cartoons went to color, but I still got it, Eddie. Oh dear, old Grandma, what did you have? All right. Come here, sit on my lap and I'll tell you a story.
Yeah, listen. Keep this discreet, you hear me? I can't let it get out I'm offering my services to randos on the street. It was a quick cash grab. You got it? Ouch! Ooh, such an insult. Let me know when you come up with something creative to call me, you sack of poorly packaged horse. Tell the missus I said hi. Oh my god! My drugs! Damn it! No, babe. Jokes are funny. I made you look, sad. And pathetic. Great! Now I'm bummed thinking about it. This thing have any liquor? Is there seriously no liquor in here? Hey! Would that make me double dead? Where exactly do I go? To double hell? Sorry, you're stuck with me. Get used to it.
I never got the chance to say thanks for saving my life. So, thanks. Maybe we could hang out sometime. As friends. Why are you looking at me like that? Oh no! Don't even think about it! And that was pretty fancy footwork you did there. And that laser mustache, and that trick you did with the guards. Ah! Get out! Get out! Get out!